Good morning, students. Now in the today's period, we study here the genetic disorders. Disorders, they may be due to the chromosomal disorders or there may be the Mendelian disorders. The disorders are classified into two types. There may be deficiency, there may be more or less in chromosome number, and the diseases are caused. So these are the disorders which we have to study in our today's period, that is the genetic disorders. There are two types, Mendelian disorder and the chromosomal disorders. Now the Mendelian disorders are due to mutation. What is mutation? Sudden change in the chromosome number. This is called as the mutation. So there is alteration of gene. The gene may be alters or any change takes place in the gene. These are grouped under Mendelian disorders. Now the diseases which are caused due to the Mendelian disorders, they are thalassemia, रक्ताची कमी असणं, सिकल सेल ॲनिमिया, सिकल म्हणजे कोयता, आपलेच आरबीसी आपल्या आरबीसींना कट करतात कोयत्यासारखं, दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज सिकल सेल ॲनिमिया. कलर ब्लाइंडनेस, ज्यांना रंग आंधळेपणा असं म्हणतो, हिरव्या आणि लाल रंगाच्या मधला फरक त्यांना कळत नाही, दॅट इज द कलर ब्लाइंडनेस. हिमोफेलिया, देर इज नो क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड, रक्त हे क्लॉट होत नाही, hemophilia. These are the diseases, they are grouped under the Mendelian disorder. Now there is another disorder called as the chromosomal disorders. They may be the chromosomal disorders, they may be the due to extra or less number of chromosomes present in the individual. These are the Down syndrome, Turner's syndrome and other diseases. Now we can study here one after the other. Number one, thalassemia. It is the Mendelian genetic disorder. So what is thalassemia? It is the less formation of hemoglobin in the individual and it is autosomal inherited disorder. It is autosomal inherited disorder. The hemoglobin in our body, hemoglobin is present. So hemoglobin molecule is made up of 4 types of polypeptide chain. 2 are alpha type and 2 are the beta types. So the synthesis of chain is depend on 2 closely related genes. So synthesis of this chain is depend on 2 closely related genes, HBA1 and HBA2. They are present on the chromosome number 16. We are studying here the thalassemia. The body is unable to produce the hemoglobin. That is anemic condition. रक्ताल्पता ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, anemic condition is found in the individual. Here the synthesis of beta chain is controlled by a single gene which is present on the chromosome number 11. Now the depending upon which chain is affected, there is alpha type of thalassemia and beta type of thalassemia. So alpha and beta are the types of thalassemia and it may be the cause due to the deletion or mutation of gene. There may be mutation takes place or deletion takes place in the gene, the disease occurs. And what are the symptoms of the disease? This is anemia, रक्ताची कमतरता, पेल येलो स्किन, फिकट असणारी पिवळसर असणारी स्किन, देन स्लो ग्रोथ, डार्क urine, slow growth are the symptoms or the character of the patient. And here blood transfusion is recommended. रक्त देणं त्या पेशंटला हे रिकमेंड केलेलं आहे, कारण थॅलेसेमियाच्या मध्ये रक्त तयार होत नाही. आज थॅलेसेमिया हा एक महत्त्वाचा मेजर डिसीज आहे ज्याच्यापासून कंट्रोलिंगसाठी आपल्याला रक्त द्यावं लागतं. Now the another type is called as the Down syndrome. That is the Down syndrome. Thalassemia is Mendelian disorder. Now the remaining 2-3 we have to study. Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome are the chromosomal disorder. Chromosomal disorder means there is addition or less number of the chromosome number. Number one is Down syndrome. That is, the name is given after the work of Down in 1866. That is the extra copy of 21st chromosome. When the extra copy of 21st chromosome is present, so the individual having 47 chromosome instead of 46. Normal number is 46. 121st chromosome is more, so it is 47. What are the symptoms of the disease? The mentally retarded person. Then the poor skeleton development, skeletonची development पूर्ण होत नाही. Then small head and ears, small mouth as well as broad palm. These are the symptoms of the Down syndrome. Second is Turner syndrome, that is called as X monosomy or X0 female. Female requires XX chromosome. Here is X0 female. So the body has 44 plus X0 female. One less number in the X, and so these are phenotypically female but poorly developed ovaries and breast as well as small height are the characters of this Turner syndrome female. Now here is another disease called as Klinefelter's syndrome, the XXY male. XXY male. Normally XY are present in male, but here is XXY male. One X is more, and this happens due to the non-separation of the chromosome during the gamete formation. Here the males are tall with long arm, and it has voice pitch is harsh, testes are underdeveloped, no spermatogenesis, and the sterile males are produced. So in the today's period we have studied three different types of chromosomal disorders: Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and Klinefelter's syndrome. Thank you. Here is the end of the chapter. Thanks.